When we read the book of Job, we see something important about the role of the adversary. In the book of Job, chapters 1 and 2, the Satan, which simply means adversary or accuser, does not act independently. He appears before Yahweh and must ask permission before touching Job. Even then, strict limits are set. First, he may touch Job's possessions, later his health, but not his life. This shows that the adversary does not have free rein. He operates only within the boundaries Yahweh allows. This idea aligns with the book of Isaiah, when Yahweh declares that He forms light and creates darkness, makes peace and creates calamity. The message is clear. Nothing happens outside the sovereignty of the Creator. Both blessing and adversity ultimately fall under His authority. So the book of Job reminds us that even in suffering, Yahweh remains in control. What looks like chaos is still under His rule, and nothing can happen unless He allows it. May Yahweh bless you.